It didn't turn out too bad, but so I got the blue to blend in, but see that line of demarcation here? I don't know if you can see it, but there's a, this is probably just stained. It might blend in, but there's like a demarcation. That's probably where the wall is just stained. Could be candle smoke, cooking smoke. But at least the marks on the wall are cleaned up. That wall came out pretty good. That wall came out, but I can see it from here. The camera may not. There's a big stain mark here, which I don't like. So the only answer is you have to paint the wall. Now let's see in this room. This room was really tore up. Yeah, this one came out not too bad, but I'm not sure this is the right color. I think this is eggshell. This is what they gave me. I'm not sure that's the right color. It looks different. So we're going to have to repaint it anyway. But at least all the holes in the wall are knocked out. This has dust all over it from sanding. Here. Yeah, it's going to need repainting. It's the only thing you can do. But superficially it looks better. That wall looks pretty good over there. That came out really well. And so this will be more acceptable. If we go in here, yeah, that wall came out pretty good. But it's probably going to need a complete coat because there's a lot of the stain marks where the old paint and the new paint, I tried to blur it together and you can see it. I can definitely see it. But at least all the holes and sand marks are done. Yeah, I think what we have to do is we're going to have to go back and get swatches and put them on this wall. I'm pretty sure this is eggshell. That's an eggshell color. And the color they gave me, either it's not dry yet. Yeah, it's still damp. So it's possible that'll blend in. I'm skeptical it will. I think that's a slightly different color. But it'll do what the realtor wants right now, to take all that mark away. So that is pretty good. So this building's in better shape as far as painting. I gotta get this blue color here. This is two different, there's almost 3 different blues in this room. So I gotta get this blue here done. So I have to pattern match this. That wall came out good. That wall came out good. That's pretty good. So that wall was not great. That wall was fixed. So everything's pretty good shape now. So we'll leave it. If you're interested in renting this, you know someone who wants to rent it, let me know. So we're working on it. We're trying to get it to a high standard here. Take care.